Hey everyone, so I'm working on rebuilding an engine here. This is a Honda engine, a K24A2 to be exact. And I went to adjust the valves and I ran into a bit of a problem. So, knock the nut loose as always, and you gotta turn the screw, and it is stuck. It's not coming loose. I've ran into this before, but not quite this bad. So, I actually found out a solution though. I just discovered this. So, if you look at the other end of this rocker arm, here's what it looks like. This screw is actually flat on the other end, so it's not going to unscrew at the top, which makes it harder because you can't just replace the whole thing if it gets stuck. But we can actually use this to our advantage. So, what I did is just unscrew this as far as it'll go, just screw it all the way to the top, and it's not going to come out because the bottom end of the screw is flat. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the, you see there it just broke loose. So the screw is stuck right now in the, against the rocker arm. We're going to spray it with penetrating oil, WD-40, PB Blaster, whatever, and turn the screw. So we're going to use this. I actually put vice grips around this screwdriver just to get a bit more leverage. We're going to turn that. So now that's free. What we're going to do now is hold the nut with the wrench, or if you have a special valve adjustment tool, you can do that, and work the screw back and forth. So the idea here is we want to free it up. What happens over time is it gets carbon in it, and the screw can end up actually getting stuck to the nut, which is what happened here. So I'm going to work it back and forth until it's free. And you don't want any significant drag here, because then it'll happen again. It'll get stuck again. So work it back and forth for a minute, and as you can see now, the nut actually moves independently from the screw as it's supposed to, and the screw is free. So now you can go on doing your valve adjustment as usual. So anyways, that's a tip that I just discovered. So if you have any other tips for this, let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions or need help, let me know. I'll do my best to help you out. So anyways, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. So stay safe, have a nice day.